So Dr. Laura McGuire is a nationally recognized social scientist who studies, writes, and speaks on sexual misconduct prevention and diversity and inclusion. She's the founder.
Cultures actually do the opposite. They give the girls the agency. They give the girls the space to negotiate interaction. They don't give it to the boys. They have to be invited in. That's exactly where restorative practices is perfect. And then doing training on diversity and inclusion and conscious and unconscious bias, right?
Hi, I'm Dr. Laura McGuire. I'm the founder of the National Center for Equity and Agency. I am a sexologist that specializes in consent, preventing and responding to sexual misconduct, and diversity and inclusion. I started out in this field as a survivor myself and as a high school dropout. In only 4 years and 8 months, I went from a GED to a doctorate in education. I have been a passionate advocate as a K-12 teacher, starting programming at major universities and creating policy and education for government entities. I look forward to working with you and coming to your community to engage in conversations that are actionable, inclusive, and create long-lasting change.